Look at this giant. It weighs exactly 1.4 kilograms or over 3 pounds. It has a full number pad, a physical aluminum alloy volume knob, and a built-in screen that turns into a working calculator with one click. At first glance, it looks like a heavy premium tool made exclusively for Excel, coding, or video editing. But inside this heavy office body hides a pure tactical weapon. This is the Hall Effect version packed with customizable magnetic switches and rapid trigger for elite competitive gaming. Online the debate is wild. Some claim it's the best hybrid 98% keyboard ever built, while others are tearing their hair out over the software. Today we are going a complete filter-free reality check on the Keydous NJ98 Holo effect. Let's see, it is worth your money. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Duo. As promised in our ultimate guide, today we are deep diving into this exact machine. I've been living with it to see if it actually justifies its price tag. Before we start, a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed recently. We are officially at 260 subscribers and your support means everything to our small channel. If you enjoy honest, independent reviews that point out the flaws alongside the highlights, please hit the subscribe button here, right now, and help us to reach 500. Also, drop a comment below. Do you absolutely need a full numpad for work or do you prefer smaller layouts? Let me know below. So, let's start with the features that makes everyone stop and look. The screen. Keydous went a completely different road here. With a quick shortcut, this display transforms into a stand-alone physical calculator. Honestly, when I first saw this, I immediately thought of that internet meme about man randomly pulling out a calculator out of nowhere with a super serious face just to calculate something completely useless. Well, boys, Keydous just built your ultimate weapon. You can look like an international strategist right from your desk. Also, the calculator is completely autonomous. You can plug this keyboard into a power bank or have your PC fully locked and the screen will still do the math. It doesn't rely on Windows or Mac software to function. Memes aside, for anyone who works with data, budgets or coding throughout the day, this is dangerously addictive. The layout itself is compressed 98% from form factor, built like a tank with an internal steel plate. It feels incredibly solid and premium. Under the hood, this Holo Effect version comes pre-assembled with customized Hylene and Keydous magnetic switches. These are linear switches with a light 30 grams of actuation force and a total travel distance of 3.4 millimeters. Because they are magnetic, they break free from traditional physical metal contact. About the switches we talk about in this video and why the weight matters, so please check it. In this case, they unlock full rapid trigger capabilities. You can completely customize the actuation point from a hypersensitive 0.2 millimeters up to 3.1 millimeters in precise 0.1 millimeter steps. The microsecond you lift your finger by even 0.1 millimeters, the keys deactivates instantly. It also supports dynamic keystroke, allowing you to map up to 4 different actions to a single key depending on how deep you press it. Usually, if you want elite rapid trigger for games like Counter-Strike 2 or Valorant, you are forced to buy a teeny cramped 60% keyboard. The NJ98 Holo effects allows you to have a good tire sports responsive type with a 1000 Hz polling rate over the 2.4 GHz wireless connection at night and a comfortable full-size layout for your job during the day. The whole effect PCB inside this board has a great capability. If you ever want to upgrade or change the typing feel, it works flawlessly with popular third-party magnetic options like the Gateron Magnetic Jade or the Gateron KS20 series. But Tech2 reviews are never one-sided. We need to talk about the real flaws. First, the software. To customize the rapid trigger or upload GIFs, you have to use the proprietary Keydous app. Let's be blunt. The interface looks like it was designed in 2020. It's fully functional and you can save your profile to the onboard memory and close it forever. But the learning curve is steep. Second, the stabilizer acoustic. Let's do a quick sound test so you can hear it yourself. The typing sound is deep and heavy. However, because of the steel plate, the larger keys, especially the spacebar, can have a slight metallic rebound sound out of the box. It's way better than standard office board, but hardcore custom fans might want to add a teeny bit of extra loop to the stabilizers. Let's summarize the Keydous NJ98 Holo effect. The good. The standalone calculator screen in an absolute game changer for daily productivity. Elite Holo effect performance with rapid trigger in full-size layout. Massive rock-solid build quality that feels like a premium tank. And great triple mode connectivity, Bluetooth 2.4 GHz, while the bad. The customization software is clunkily and dated. The stabilizers on the larger keys might require a bit of manual tuning for perfect sound. At the end of the day, the Keydous NJ98 Holo effect is a highly unique beast. It bridges the gap between hardcore esports performance and high-level office productivity better than almost anything else on the market. If you want to check its current pricing or grab one for your setup, all direct links are down in the description below. So, thank you one more time to our 260 subscribers. You guys are the reason we keep making these honest reviews. If you haven't joined yet, hit that subscribe button right now, leave a like, and tell me in the comments, does the built-in calculator screen make you want this board, or do you think it's just a gimmick? Thanks for watching Tech2. Keep your setup clean and see you in the next one. Bye!